So next form of the circle is diameter form. Already we learnt about center radius form, general form and standard form. Now this is diameter form. For this diameter form, endpoints of the diameter are given. A x1 y1, B x2 y2 are the endpoints of diameter. We know that the chord of a circle passing through center O is the diameter and its endpoints are given. Now our task is to find the equation of circle. Finding equation of circle means we need to find a relation between x and y for every point on this circle. So you just take any point P on this circle equation. Now, so let that point P as x comma y. Okay, you just take P x comma y is any point on the circle. We know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Diameter makes always an angle of 90 degrees at this circumference. So since it is the diameter, when we join this AB with the P like this, here the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, since if AB is given AB as diameter, given A comma B, okay, or you may say AB as diameter and Px comma y any point on the circle. From there we have angle APB is equals to 90 degrees. The diameter will make an angle of 90 degrees on the circumference. Since angle APB is 90 degrees, when you look here, this AP is perpendicular to PB, right? AP is perpendicular to PB. So AP is one line segment, PB is another line segment. This line segment AB and that line segment PB are perpendicular. So what we will say? Slope of AP into slope of PB is minus 1, right? If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is minus 1. So slope of AP into slope of PB is equals to minus 1. Now what is slope of AP? A is x1 y1 and this P is x comma y. So slope of these 2 points, difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. So slope of AP is simply nothing but y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is slope of AP. And whereas what is slope of PB? P is xy and B is x2 y2. So we have y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 and that is equals to minus 1. Okay. So slope of AP into slope of PB is equals to minus 1. So we have this relation. Okay. When you rewrite this, when you rearrange, multiply these two, send that side and again collect this side. At the end we have x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. So this is diameter form of the circle. If endpoints of the diameter A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are given, then we will use this equation to find the equation of circle, okay, which is diameter form. Have a look. Finally we are collecting different forms of circles to solve the problems. Center radius form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. And general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Standard form, x square plus y square is equals to r square. And this is now diameter form. Okay, have a look. So finally, we have this diameter form. If you have a circle and whose one of the diameter is AB, there are many diameters in a circle. Okay, if one of the diameter is AB and the endpoints of the diameter are given as A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Okay, here AB are the endpoints of the diameter. Then using those two to find the equation of circle, this is the form: x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. Okay, if the question or if the task is to find the equation of circle, directly we will use this one. Or instead to find the equation of circle, if the question is about finding center and radius of this particular circle. Okay, so what I mean, if we have a circle whose endpoints of one of the diameter is a x1 y1 b x2 y2, then what is its center? Okay, then the center of this circle is simply nothing but midpoint of AB, right? Center is simply midpoint of AB. Okay, since these 2 points are x1 y1 x2 y2, center is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. And what to say about radius? Radius is always half of the diameter. If you find distance between these 2 points AB divided by 2 itself is the diameter. Okay, so if we have endpoints of this diameter, directly we will find center and radius using midpoint formula as well as distance formula. After having this center and radius, we will use center radius form also to find the equation of circle. That center radius form also generate the same relation. Okay, right. So as per the problem, we will use this diameter form, and sometimes we go with center and radius also. Okay, have a look. This is all about 7th point related to the diameter form. Now I will give you one simple example related to this diameter form. Okay, have a look. So I have a problem on the board, equation of a circle whose endpoints of the diameter are 1 comma minus 2 and minus 3 comma 4. Okay, these two are endpoints of the diameter. So what is the diameter form? To find the equation of circle, as we discussed, the diameter form is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. Is it clear? Just the coordinates 1 comma minus 2, mark it as x1 y1, this minus 3 comma 4, take it as x2 y2, and just plug in these x1 y1 x2 y2 in this diameter form of the circle. Then what you have, x minus x1 is 1 into x minus x2 is minus 3, so it will become plus 3, plus y minus y1 is minus 2, so it will become plus 2, and y minus y2 is 4, 4 is equals to 0. And if you try to simplify this, x minus 1 into x plus 3, x square, okay, 3x minus x plus 2x minus 3, okay, plus y square minus 4y plus 2y is minus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. And on further simplification we will get general form, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 11 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of circle using this diameter form, right? So while solving this, we will have a good observation here. Okay, మనం ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సిన విషయం ఏంటంటే, ఈ సాల్వ్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్లో ఇక్కడ రెండు క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ జనరేట్ అయినాయి. ఓకే, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఈ ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్కి రూట్స్ ఎవరంటే x coordinates of these 2 points, and for the second quadratic equation roots are nothing but y coordinates of these 2 points. Okay, ఆ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ కూడా మనకు అవసరం, రైట్? వాట్ ఐ మీన్, if we have 2 points which are ends of diameter of a circle, then equation of the circle is nothing but quadratic equation in terms of x having x coordinates as roots plus quadratic equation in terms of y having y coordinates as roots is equals to 0. Also gives us the circle equation. Have a look. So the next idea related to the diameter form, find the equation of circle having least radius and passing through 2 points a 1 comma 1 and b 2 comma minus 4. Have a look. The question is about finding equation of a circle having least radius as well as it is passing through 2 points a b, a 1 comma 1 and b 2 comma minus 4. Okay, so there are 2 points and the circle is passing through those 2 points. How many circles are there? Okay, how many circles may exist passing through those 2 points? Just think about it. Suppose if I have a point a here and if I have another point somewhere b, okay, say for suppose if this is one circle, a here and b here, right? This is one circle passing through ab, right? And passing through ab, I may draw few more circles also. This is another circle passing through ab, and passing through this ab, there is a possibility of drawing another circle. Okay, so passing through these 2 points AB, if you think there exists infinite number of circles. Okay, so passing through 2 points there exists infinite number of circles. Among all those infinite circles, our task is to find a circle having least radius. Okay, so how to find that particular circle having least radius passing through these 2 points? That's our task now. Okay, now you just think about it. This AB, when you join this AB will become a chord, right? Chord of the circles. This AB acts like chord for all those infinite circles, because all those infinite circles contains AB on their circumference. So AB acts like a chord for all those infinite circles. Now imagine, if we have a circle here, and on this circle somewhere A is here and B is here, this AB is a chord of the circle. And for this circle, what you say about the diameter? For this circle, this is the diameter, and sure, this diameter is the largest. As we all know, diameter is the largest chord of the circle. For this circle, AB is one chord, and this is the diameter. The diameter for sure is larger than this AB, right? Because diameter is the largest chord. So, if AB is just a chord for a circle, then for that circle, diameter is more than AB. Diameter is more than AB. But we need to find a circle having least radius. So we need to fix a circle. We need to fix a circle whose diameter itself is AB. Okay. So there are infinite number of circles passing through these 2 points AB. If you check, if you observe, there is one circle among these infinite. For that, AB acts like the largest chord. AB acts as a diameter, and that circle having AB as diameter gives us least radius, and for all the remaining circles the radius is more than this particular one. Okay, actually the question is about finding circle having least radius with the passing through AB, but your answer is just use diameter form by taking A comma B as endpoints of the diameter. Why we need to use the diameter form? Why we need to consider this AB as endpoints of the diameter? For that here I mentioned the explanation. Okay, there are infinite circles passing through AB, and there is one circle passing through AB and having AB as diameter. And for that one circle, the radius is least, and for all the remaining, radius is more than AB. Okay, so for this one, your answer is circle having AB as endpoints of diameter. You just find the equation using diameter form. That's it. Okay, have a look, and that's for today's class.